Hi everyone, today we're going to be exploring a little bit more with coordinate graphs. Our learning target for today is I can identify and plot ordered pairs on a 1 or 4 quadrant coordinate grid. Okay, we're going to start today by thinking just a little bit about negative numbers. Negative numbers are numbers that fall below 0 on the number line, and positive numbers fall above 0 on the number line. So sometimes in real life we have some reference points. One of those reference points might be 0 on a thermometer. If it's colder than 0, we would say it's below 0 or in the negatives. If it's above 0, the temperature is in the positives. Another reference point is sea level. That's the level where the water from the ocean meets the earth. So that's a reference point, and we would consider that to be 0 elevation. Okay, so we can think about Mount McKinley, then. That's the highest point in the United States, in Alaska, and that's 20,320 feet above sea level. So that would be positive 20,320. Death Valley is the lowest point in the United States, and that's 282 feet below sea level. So that one is negative 282 feet. When we think about numbers that are an equal distance from a particular reference point, say positive 7 and negative 7, those numbers are called opposites. So on our coordinate grid, can you think about what the reference point might be? Well, our reference point is 0. Do you remember what that's called? It's where the grid starts. It's called the origin of a coordinate grid. So we always start there. So anything that goes to the left of 0 is negative, just like on the number line. And anything that goes below 0 is negative, just like on the number line. So we can use what we already know to plot some points on this number line. So I'm going to start off here with 9, 3. So both of these numbers are positive, and my first number tells how far to the right or to the left to go. So I'm going to go 9 to the right, and then up 3. And then that becomes my point. Nine, negative 3. The first number tells me how far to the right or left I go. It's positive, so I'm going to go to the right 9. And then the second number is a negative, so I'm going to go down 3. So 9, negative 3 is right here. Look, those two are exactly opposite from one another. One is up 3, the other one is down 3. Now I'm going to show you negative 4, 5. So I start with the horizontal. Always start with the horizontal. I go then to the left 4, because the first number is negative. I look at the second number, it's positive, so I go up 5. So negative 4, 5 is right here. And then lastly, we have negative 4, negative 5. So I'm always going to start with the horizontal. So I go across to negative 4, and then the second number is negative, so I'm going to go down to negative 5. So that's my point. Do you notice that those two are opposite of one another as well? Okay, here's a little practice time for you. I'd like you to look at these points, Q, R, and S, and see if you can figure out what their coordinates are. So pause the video and try it out. When you unpause the video, you'll see the coordinates written. Okay, here you go. Point Q is at 5, 3. It's over 5 and up 3. Point R is 2, negative 4. It goes to the right 2 and down 4. Finally, point S is negative 8, 6. It goes over or to the left to negative 8 and then up 6. So negative 8, 6. Here's your quiz for today. You're going to need to pause the video and on a piece of paper jot down the letters and the ordered pair for each of the points. Go ahead and pause the video, and then you'll need to put those into Edmodo. Have a wonderful night.